Stop paying for AI voice cloning tools, because today I'm literally going to blow your mind, because I'm talking about a tool called VoiceBox. Now, you've probably heard about paid AI voice tools that can clone your voice, generate speeches, like tools like ElevenLabs, Minimax, and others. Most of them require subscriptions, credits, or internet access to even work, right? But what if I told you something that this tool can clone your voice completely free and run everything locally on your own computer and even offline? So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to install it and start using it, okay? So let's get started. Okay, open your browser and open this website, voicebox.sh. So this is the website that you have to be on, and here you can simply go and download the software directly here. So if you are on Mac, so you can download any of these two options. I'm on Windows, I'll go with this one, but I already have downloaded it and also installed it, so I'm gonna simply go ahead and open it. So it's this is the tool, and it's gonna be easy to navigate. So we'll go with every single option here. So we have here create voices, import voices. So import voices is like, you know, for example, you want to import a voice and then you want to convert that into the text or something, or you want to create the audio from that voice, right? So we can do that. And then we have a create a voice as well, which kind of gives us the option to upload the voice, I mean the cloning the voice, by using an upload option or by using a record option or a system audio as well, which is basically if you're playing some kind of audio on your computer, it can start capturing that audio, and then after that simply it, you know, clones that voice. So then we have another option from here, which is the stories, where we kind of basically, you know, store our stories, and then we can generate an audio based on those stories. And then we have this option here, which is the voices, where basically where our own voices will be, you know, the voices that we are going to cloning, so it will be here. So this one is about the audio channels, where we kind of, you know, see is about what speakers that we have. It's something that is of no use as of now for us. So this is the important thing, the model management. This is where the magic happens. And in model management, so for the voice generation, we only have two tools. I mean, basically it's a one tool, but one is the quantized version, I mean the lower version, and second one is the top version. This is the QuantTTS 1.7 billion parameters model, which is about the size of 4.23 gigabytes. And the second goes with 0.6 billion parameters, which is about 2.34. So you have to simply download any of these. The best one is obviously the top one, which is 1.7 billion. You can simply click on here and then start downloading. You will have an option like this, download. You can see here this download will be also having this one as well here. So simply download it, and then that's it. And then if you want to use this transcription models as well, which is the whisper base, so you can use this one as well. Kind of it converts the audio into the text. You can use that. If you don't want it, it's fine. So this one is about 281 MB, so which is very small. But yeah, I think one thing I should let you know, guys, when you start downloading this here or these models, you will see something, you know, at the bottom right corner, it start downloading, but you may not see it's you know, progressing. You know, you will see it's always at 0, but so don't worry about that. There's a bug with that, but it is downloading in the background, so wait for it to finish and then you will see it's downloaded. So this was about the model management. If you have a good you know, enough storage in your computer, and this is about this size, you're good to go. And then we have the settings, which is of no use for now. So yeah, let's go back to the generate page where we basically do the magic. So let's go ahead and start cloning the voice. So we will go and click on the create voice, and then we will use an option to upload, because I already have one. Okay, so I will just go click on upload and click on choose file. I have a one sample voice that I want to clone. This is a very important voice for me, because I make content you know, with this voice on my other channel. So the moment I got this tool, I started you know, I left the ElevenLabs and Minimax, to be honest. So simply just use that voice in here, and then that's it. You're just simply good. Go ahead here. I mean, if I just play the voice just to show you how the voice sounds.
Today, I'm literally going to show you something that might blow your mind. I'm talking about a tool called VoiceBox. Now,
this is the voice that I want to just clone, okay? So give your voice a name. I will just go with Sarah, okay? And then I will write something in here. Anything. It's a reference text. Don't need to do like anything. I will also go YouTube voice, okay? That's right. Simply language is also English. And now if you want to just transcribe this audio, what does it say? You can simply click on transcribe. It will just transcribe the text only if you have downloaded that Whisper base model. It allows that this to transcribe your audio in here as well. It's not important to transcribe, but if you want to check, so it's exactly the same thing. Today I'm literally going to show you something, that was what the audio was saying, right? So simply go ahead and click on create profile, and then it is going to create your voice. This is the Sarah voice here. Now let's go ahead and generate the audio. Let's try. I will drop a text, the same text. Okay, I will just copy a text from somewhere. I will copy this text and then I will just drop it in here. Okay, so let's go ahead, and this time let's first test out with this model, 0.6 billion parameters. Select that one, select your voice, and then start generating. So it is going to start generating the this voice here, because our voice is already cloned. Now it's start generating, and also if you have a very good computer, so it's going to take seconds for you to generate a voice, and you can generate long speeches, everything from here without any cost, and that too without any internet. That's it. So as you can see here, the audio has been generated. So let me just play the audio.
Open source voice cloning powered by Qwen 3 TTS. Create natural sounding speech from text with near perfect voice replication.
This is literally insane. I mean, it looks exactly the same, the audio that I have a sample, and right now I'm on a this version, 0.6 billion parameters. And if this can do this, imagine what 1.7 billion parameters can do. I have no idea. So, and it took us less than a minute to generate an audio, and that was about 0.7 seconds. It's crazy. It's really good. Let's try one more. Let's try cloning some other voices. Okay, let's clone another voice. Click on create voice and then click on upload and then choose file. I have this voice. I will show you this audio. How does it play? Alright, so this is how it goes.
VoiceBox is a local first voice cloning studio with door-like features for...
So we're gonna be cloning this voice. So I'm gonna call him Clive. Okay, new YT voice. Okay, and here goes the same thing here for podcast. Okay, whatever. So, okay, so I'm so sorry, English, and then hit create profile. So it's just gonna create the profile here, and now let's go ahead and just copy a text, and then I'm gonna copy this entire text, copy, using this Clive, click, and then hit enter. And this time I'm going to be using 1.7 billion parameters on this one. Let's see how it clones, and after that we will compare the voices before and after, right? So let's just go ahead and start generating the speech.
An INI voice from a few seconds of audio, and compose multi-voice projects with studio-grade editing tools.
So this is the quality exactly from a sample that was just uploaded, and it really created the insane 100% clone, and I think it is really giving the competition to ElevenLabs. Imagine what it could do when there are other updates coming up. I think there's already one update coming up in this application. Imagine what it can do, and now you don't need to pay a single penny for any cloning or any voice generations. You like a voice online, just copy it, download it, and put it here and clone it, and you are good to go. I think you guys should try it out at least once and see how it goes. And those of you who are into content creation and are using ElevenLabs, these paid tools, I think you should give this tool a try once, and then comment in the comment section about what do you like about this tool. Will it work for you, or if it doesn't or not. So yeah, so guys, if you like the video, just drop a like and share this video as well, and also comment in the comment section if you feel any kind of problems while downloading or while generating any kind of audios. Thank you guys. Have a good day.